Here I've got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and open accounts right here, and as you can see we are currently logged in with Google account, so all you have to do to remove it is to tap on the current and then click on remove account. Then confirm that you would like to remove this account with all its messages, contacts and other data by tapping on remove account. And then click on OK. Enter your password if you have one or pattern, and this is it. As you can see, the account disappeared and now it's not connected, your devices is not connected with any Google account. But then if you would like to add another Google account or the same one, or just you're adding for the first time, you have to open accounts one more time, then click on add account. You have to be sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account, and if you are, just click on Google to add your Google user. Now enter your email or phone number, whichever is connected with your account. In my case it's email address, and then tap on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. And here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also privacy policy. And if you agree with everything, just tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see here, we've got also Google services. Click on accept to confirm your selection of this Google service settings, and under accounts for owner you will find Google account included. So this is it. This is how you can add and remove Google account in your Motorola Moto G8 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.